start the show.
Yes. Where's Rob?
A lot of anxious people here.
Where's Rob?
I don't know. Rob is right. Oh, he's right behind you.
Oh, hi, Rob.
Oh, hello.
We are here in Taos and we are at the retreat with Bruce Lipton and Rob Williams for learning about PSYCH-K and how to transform our lives.
This is the first day. Everybody's excited. There's a lot of energy going.
First day's been great.
Magical.
Amazing changes.
Yeah.
Amazing changes.
I'm learning how to teach PSYCH-K. And the instructors that I taught it to are teaching me again how to teach it. Because I can't remember the last time I taught it.
Yeah, very good student.
I'm paying attention. I'm adaptable. I embrace a lot of the principles of nature, resiliency especially. You know, so it's been really fun. Actually, it's such a joy and a privilege to teach this work. And it's so gorgeous to have so many lovely people here from all over the world. And they bring stories of their use of the work. At least half of the class has already taken what I'm teaching. But isn't that amazing? Why would they show up? But they know something's happening here. They know something important is going on. And so do I. I'm just like them, though. I'm just excited to know what needs to happen. You know, but it'll happen. It'll happen of its own accord. I'm just a catalyst for the spark, lights it, boom, the thing goes off, and then I get to experience it too.
Exactly.
And I'm so glad that both of you are here and so many other instructors decided to come and offer their expertise here. There's more PSYCH-K talent and wisdom in this building for the next 4 days than any place else on the earth. That's pretty darn exciting if you ask me.
Really feeling like the answers are within.
Yes.
And that I can be a light to help others find that same truth.
Just being in the room with these brilliant consciousness, energy fields of love is where else would I want to be on the earth?
We tried to really fight the thingy like that. Yeah. I was like, no, and it was faster.
Yeah, that's amazing.
It went faster.
Thank you so much for helping me change my world.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for gifting all of us with this unbelievable opportunity for profound self-discovery, for remembering who we truly are.
I actually have seen love in action and growing. Feels like family. Feels like family.
It's always that people are learning the work, embodying it, becoming it, and sharing it. That's the most exciting thing. That's always lit me up from day one with this work. And that's the real priceless gift, is watching people change their lives for the better on this planet. For me, the event was like homecoming, not only with my dear friend, Dr. Bruce Lipton, but also with 80 people I've never met before. And yet they felt like family within hours. It's a joy to be in that kind of group these days when we have a tendency to feel very disconnected in our digital society from one another. And I would invite anyone who would like that experience to join us, become part of an extended family, and learn the most important skill in these days, which is managing the changes that are occurring now in the world and that we face ahead of us, and do it from a place of being a master of your own destiny instead of a victim. The message that I would share with everybody is very simple. It's the dedication that I have in the book that I wrote some years ago called PSYCH-K, The Missing Piece in Your Life. And the dedication is this: may you recognize your divinity, discover your greatness, and become the peace you seek. This is what we all want in the world, is this glorious sense of deep peace. And here it is available once you connect with your divine self. I'd like all of you to know, those people that showed up at this marvelous event recently in Taos, New Mexico, thank you for coming and sharing who you are and your desire to be the best you can be on the planet. It's the greatest gift you can give to anyone, anywhere, is the desire to be the best you can be, the divine being that you truly are having a human experience. Thank you.